Christmas tree. I'm doing different things in Christmas, so I thought I'll do one of these. Right, so far I've just cut out things. These are 2.5-inch squares, and they will be the middle of my Christmas tree. I've got a brown 2.5-inch wide by 3.5-inch long, and that's the trunk, and this is the sides I'm going to have on it, so I'll cut them while I was cutting these. These 2.5-inch green squares, I have got 12 of them. I think that's all I'm going to need. I've got 5, and these are 3-inch squares, different ones, and what I'm using as a background, I've got 5 again, 3-inch squares, and I've drawn a line all the way down from one corner to the other corner, and I'm going to put it together with one of the green ones, and I'm going to sew 1/4 of an inch down both sides, and then cut them open, and they'll become half square triangles, which I will trim down to 2.5 inches so they're the same size as these. I've sewn either side, cut them in half, trimmed off all the dog ears, and trimmed them down to size, and now I've just put them where I think they're going to go. So I've got some other bits here. Now that can go there. We need that one there, that one there, and that one there. Now, doesn't look like it's going to fit because we've got seam allowances. Just a minute, I think I've got some more. I'm not sure whether I'm going to make a star to go on the top. I don't think I am, but I'm running short of this fabric I'm using as background. So this is how it's going to be. So there we are. I'm going to sew all these together, that row first, then this row, then it'll be these 4, followed by these 4, followed by the 2 ends, and then it's just rows again, and then sew the rows together, because once I've sewn these into a 4x4, I'll join them, and then I'll add these and then sew the rows together, but I'll show you when that's done. So there is the Christmas tree. I haven't yet pressed it, apart from finger pressing it, and because it's same as with the barge yellow, because there's so many seams in here, I like to just press them so they're going the way I want. Oh, that one flicked over, but just so they're the way I want, which doesn't work when you do that. And I think these should go up. Now turn it over and you see it's a lot smoother now. I'll give it a good press. And whatever you are making with a Christmas tree on it, you can then extend your sides, put bits on it, or keep it down, and you can do wherever you want. It's just a basic one, and it's coming out lovely and flat. So I'm going to sort out what else I'm going to put on the sofa throw, and see how it goes from there. So there isn't much room to go around here in here, so I'll show you it when I've done all the things. Thank you. Bye.